nights are drawing in and what we all need is a little bit of comfort food. I'm going to show you how to feed your family for under £12 with M&S food. These are my cheeky chipotle, cheeky chili. These are my cheeky chili chicken tacos, and they are packed full of flavour thanks to our Cook with M&S chipotle paste and those M&S Select Farms British Oakham chicken thighs, and you'll find all the bits and pieces that you're going to need grouped together in your local M&S. So we're starting with these beautiful British chicken thighs. They are super juicy. We're going to take some of our chipotle paste. This stuff packs so much flavour. We're just going to add a teaspoon of that and mix it with a splash of olive oil. Make a coating to go over those chicken thighs. It's going to start taking up all the flavours. And while our chicken is cooking away, we're going to get onto our sauce. Okay, so when the onions have cooked down nicely, they've had about 10 minutes. They're starting to go golden and caramelised. And then we go in with that lovely Cook with M&S chipotle paste. So we're going to go in with a stock cupboard staple. Got a little tin of chopped tomatoes. And then in we go with a tin of kidney beans. Kidney beans are packed full of fibre. They're naturally high in protein. And I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar. This is optional. So our sauce is simmering away. That's going to take you 25 minutes. Now's the time to get all your Mexican bits and pieces together. You've got salsas, refried beans, tacos. You could serve it with rice. Dip in some of those tortilla chips. Hey! So our sauce is ready. The chicken is done. Let's get it out of the oven. So all we need to do, we're going to save that crispy chipotle chicken skin for a garnish. Okay, now all you need, a couple of forks, and we're just going to pull that chicken apart and shred it up. Our chicken is nicely shredded. We're just going to add that into the sauce and scrape out all of the goodness from the bottom of the pan. Chicken is ready, that is sitting in the sauce, and now onto our chicken skin. That is like chicken crackling. I love to do this. You can do it with your turkey at Christmas. Don't let this go to waste. Let's talk about toppings. Everything you need are all grouped together in store at your local M&S. I'm going to go for tacos. I've got a bit of salsa, some tortilla chips, but you can make it your own. You can use rice, refried beans, whatever you want. So I'm just going to plate these up. There we go, a real winter warmer for those cold nights that are drawing in. This chili chicken is a little bit different, but your family are going to love it. You can really make it your own with all the different bits and pieces. I tell you what, little squeeze of lime, and that is how you feed your family for under £12 with M&S food. Over to you. Bosh.